Hello everyone, welcome to supplychainway.com. So in this video we are going to discuss about different line supply strategies in a manufacturing logistics. There are 5 key line supply strategies. I'll just name them out for you. The number 1 is a JIT, the just in time. Number 2 is a sequence, and number 3 is a kit, and number 4 is a two-bin, and number 5 is a Kanban. Okay, so before we go into the details of each of them, let me quickly tell you what we mean by a line supply strategy. This is a strategy by which the part either directly from the supplier or from a manufacturing storage is being moved from there and presented at the point of use in the line to get assembled in the main line. Okay, so these 5 strategies explains what all the different ways these parts are presented at the point of use. The first one is a just in time. So as the name says, it arrives just in time. That means when the part is actually needed in the point of use is when it arrives right from the supplier and it is presented to the line. Number 1. Number 2 is the sequence. When we say sequence, take a part like an engine, and if the line takes care of multiple variants, then the engine is also presented in the same sequence in which the different variants are produced on that particular day. For example, there are 3 different variants A, B, C, and A, B, C needs A1, B1, C1 engines respectively, and today's sequence is AA, B, C, C. In that case, the engines also will be presented in A1, A1, B1, C1, C1. That explains the sequence. The third one is a kit. In this case, different parts which is needed in a particular station, in a workstation, is already assembled in a kitting area by opening different cartons, taking those specific parts, make those specific parts needed in quantities, as well as the different parts needed in a particular station is made into a kit and then presented to the line. And the fourth one is two-bin. Most cases it is all C-class items. What happens is you will have a small supermarket within the manufacturing logistics area where you have 2 bins. Similar way, you have a set of 2 bins at your point of use. So the operator who is working on that particular station will keep taking parts from it, and once there is an empty bin, he just puts it down on the stand, and that empty bin will go to the manufacturing storage, and from the supermarket you replenish 1 bin and put it back, and this cycle continues. Okay, and the last one is a Kanban. It could be a supplier Kanban or it could be an internal Kanban. So moment that there is a need for a material, the Kanban is basically put onto a holder where the feeder who actually replenishes the point of use takes the Kanban, goes to the specific storage area, pick up a full bin of material and puts it back. So these are the basics of the 5 different line supply strategies. In further videos, I will be explaining on each of them the design nuances, the formulas involved, and the implementation details of it. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned at supplychainway.com.